Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Okay, in today's video I'm going to fix this treadmill, and the problem is it's not driving its motor, and also it's not showing any error. So it's difficult to identify the problem because it will not show any error like error 1, error 2, error n3. And this is the Korean treadmill, and I have connected this treadmill upper panel with this lower card, and it's very simple because it's without incline. So here's the console cable, and here are the connections for the motor, and here are the connections for 220 volt. In my all videos I connect 220 volt with series. So here you can see I have I use this because it's some sort of safety. So when we press this start button, like yes, here you can say 0.8 and the time has been started, but this is the speed up button. Its buttons are also sticky, they are not working. So in this video I will also fix these buttons, and but the issue is the motor is not driving. Although I have connected this motor here, but it's not driving. So I have to check this card, and let's see. Okay, so I have dismantled this card, and apparently this IRF 460 seems short because here you can see there's some sort of spark, and whenever you are going to repair such kind of electronics, remember one thing, you should be very keen observer. You should observe the things very keenly, and apparently by naked eye we can see this is faulty because here we can see a spark. So, and also I have checked this with multimeter, and it's showing me an error. So yes, you can see. So it's 100% short, so there is no other option, and here you can see it's also faulty. So I will replace these two ICs and then see how it behaves. Now I have pulled out both IGBTs and replace it with new ones, and now I'm going to fix it and then see. So I have packed this card, and now I'm going to press the start button. So it's a bit sticky, and here you can see it's driving the motor, and there's the speed 0.8, and here's the speed motor is driving. So sometime it's possible that you will not see any error on the screen, and yes, I'm driving, increasing the speed, and motor is driving. So sometime it's possible that all of the things are doing well, like time is going up, speed is going up, and but the motor is not driving. So sometime the problem is due to this. So I think it will help you in this regard. Thank you very much for watching this video.